Tell the fish to have no fear. We got a live well full of beer, and we ain't catching nothing but a buzz while we out here. 5-gallon bucket stew, a little leak to keep my feet cool. Number 3 earned hard sticker on a souped up pull start Evinrude. Oh my Jon Boat, got a bikini line dockside waiting for a ride on my Jon Boat. We keep the 12-footer bouncing while we 12-ouncing. Music blasting, water splashing. Summertime's better cause we get a little wetter on my Jon Boat. We jumping waves like a jet ski, and all the homegrown honey scream when we're rolling wide open 5 deep in a 3-seat. We got kicked out the yacht club. They didn't like us cutting donuts, but we just tore through like old Bo Duke. And the rich kid's tripping cause he caught his chick checking out my Jon Boat. Got a bikini line dockside waiting for a ride on my Jon Boat. We keep the 12-footer bouncing while we 12-ouncing. Music blasting, water splashing. Summertime's better cause we get a little wetter on my Jon Boat. Anchor tied to a rope, and it's about to go down at Party Cove. Got Skinner playing on the stereo. We crank it up while we floating down very low. And all the pretty girls with a copper tone tan floating around with a koozie in your hand. Y'all raise them up high, and swim on over if you wanna take a ride on my Jon Boat. Got a bikini line dockside waiting for a ride on my Jon Boat. We keep the 12-footer bouncing while we 12-ouncing. Music blasting, water splashing. Summertime's better cause we get a little wetter on my Jon Boat. Yeah, the rich kid's tripping cause he caught his chick checking out my Jon Boat.